welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Heart Candy Rocket Tower. So now let's start. All you need for this is toothpicks and you also need cherry jelly heart. Oh, why this is special? Because it is Valentine's theme. And you can see we have mostly everything pink here. Let's build the heart structure. And also this is my first structure building activity. And you should try this at home. I'm putting 8 hearts at the bottom, and the bigger at the bottom, it becomes taller. So we connect all these hearts together with the toothpicks like this. You poke it in, then poke it into another one. And you also connect everything in the same direction. These hearts also look so cute. And also, here there's tons of sugar at the bottom of my container. Okay, one more toothpick, then we're gonna be done. Okay, we're done with the bottom layer. Now let's move to the second bottom layer. We actually need to put these, some toothpicks on top of the heart. And it's easier if you put the tip down. You have to make these toothpicks and make it into a triangle shape. So I'm going to take one of these hearts and then connect it together. And I'm going to take another toothpick and I'm also going to put it like this. And one on the edge too. Okay, I'm going to put another heart. You need to connect these hearts together, and also this is a really fun activity. I've been noticing that when I was doing this activity, and you should just try this activity at home because it's super fun. Soon we're going to be doing the third layer. Now, time for the third round. This is the fourth round of the jelly hearts. Also notice there's a pattern. Can you guess what it is in the comments? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, the pattern is the triangles. It's starting like up and then up and down like that. Up and down triangles. And we're making a pyramid. Move up, we keep on reducing the jelly hearts. The fourth round had 7, so now I'm making sure I have 6 this layer. And this one we'll keep on connecting ahead of time. Now this is 5th round. This is turning out so well. And now I'm going to try to form squares. So I'm only going to put 1 heart on each. Now time for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layer. I'm gonna try doing like this because we need to reduce it somehow. Now it's becoming like a rectangle. Now it's becoming kind of like rectangle, square, square. Okay, I got 5 on the 6th layer. So now we're going to the 7th layer. And now for this layer, but we need 3. Make a rocket. I'm real good. Yay! You came out so well. How much layers we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna do this. Do you know what we might be using? Marshmallows! And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did this activity. It's a great Valentine's activity for you. And see you guys on next time. Bye!